Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's shift to the gold market. And the gold market situation, as I said in today Euro research, is almost the same. So many markets across the board now are showing some sideways action. Very calm market right now. Well, situation, as you can see, is almost the same as at the end of the previous week. So market has accomplished our target. That was right at the resistance, conference resistance, daily reward, completing point of the ABCD pattern, and that was also and is also the monthly pivot point. And we said that very often when the market hits such strong resistance, some retracement to the downside could follow. But instead of that, we see sideways action. So you can see this is inside trading session to this one, this Friday. On Monday also inside trading session. Today we again see small candle. So that's some sort of action when the market is building an energy. And the fact is that market doesn't show any significant retracement, any reasonable retracement after the completing point of the ABCD pattern means something. This means that as market doesn't behave as it should to in the normal development, it means that it could show the action in another direction. The same situation is almost the same situation on the euro currency right now. So as market doesn't want to show the retracement, it probably will show the action to the upside. And this very probable, especially we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, that is our ABCD pattern, that is the current consolidation that looks like the triangle here. On the daily time frame, it looks like the pennant pattern. That is also some sort of the bullish dynamic pressure, because as you can see, trend has shifted bearish, but market creates new higher and higher lows. That is definite sign of the hidden bullish power, and usually this leads to some acceleration to the upside. I do not know how far this splash could be. Maybe market just wash and rinse of these highs, or this action will be a bit more extended, I don't know. But if you will take a look at the daily time frame, you'll see that till this area market in fact has no barriers, and that area is 618 resistance and weekly pivot resistance 1. So that's the area between 1308, 1307. If we will measure, if for instance market will show this move up, this could be in the way of the butterfly, and if this will be the butterfly, you'll see the 1618 extension stands precisely in the area of the weekly pivot resistance 1. Unfortunately, currently I do not see the clear pattern that you could stick for entering on the long side of the market. But in the current situation, I do not want to enter short, although market, as I said, has reached a significant resistance, but market doesn't behave as it should to. That's why I do not want to take the short position. To enter long, currently you could take the position based only on this triangle and place some stops, I don't know, below, for instance, this will swing low or somewhere on this sort. Because in fact, besides of this triangle, we do not have nothing. We do not have anything. That's all only that we have here is just a triangle. Well, that's why it's a bit tricky situation, although we see some possibilities for moving higher. The market could show some upward action, but we do not have clear setup, clear pattern to stick with to understand where to place stop. Based on the triangle and the trend, we could probably place stop somewhere below this low, because if market will continue move right here, then it will be obviously that triangle has been broken in the wrong direction, in the downward direction, if market will taken out of these lows. This will tell us that our setup is destroyed. But that is all that we have. So maybe you will find something more that will let you to enter with more confidence here. But that's all that I see currently on the gold market. And my thought is just to not enter short, since the price action that current market is showing more suggests the move to the upside. Because as I said, normal action after the completion of the ABCD pattern is the reasonable retracement, some kind of the ABCD action to the downside that we do not have here. That means that market probably will start to show the move to the upside. Also, we have the bullish dynamic pressure. That's why I think that it's better trying to take the long position against these lows with the target around 1308, 1317 maybe area, some kind of the butterfly pattern that could appear here. Well, by the way, this low will be also reasonable from the perspective of the butterfly, because if market will take it out of the swing low, then it will destroy this initial swing of the butterfly, and butterfly opportunity will be vanished. That's why this point will be crucial point for the potential upward scenario. So things decide how to act here, but as I said, I do not want to take the short position right now. Whether to take long based on this context, based on these issues that we have discussed and that we have now, well, think about it, measure your risk, control this potential position from your risk management approach, well, and make the decision. But I suspect that current action will be probably has more chances to be to the upside rather than the downside.